Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ashok, watching your tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. In this video, we are going to see how to install Docker in Windows 11. So we are going to install latest version of Docker in Windows 11. So let's get started without any delay. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. So I will jump and simply I will search Docker here. And if you see Docker desktop, let's directly go, or install Docker desktop. You can see I will download. If you see here, download Docker for Windows, but my system is not AMD, not ARM, so how I will install, right? So in that case, you simply go on getting started. Okay, getting started, or we will see installing, right? We will just a second, we will figure out where it is, or simply let's go getting started and we will see how to install. There will be a blog, or how to learn how to install Docker. So simply go on this side, and then what we are able to see lot of things here. Now we need to scroll down little, and if you see here, install Docker desktop on Mac, Windows or Linux. So let's click on Windows. I will just simply click on Windows. Okay, now we will move forward. Now we will check. The page provides downloading system requirement and step-by-step installation instructions for Docker desktop on Windows. Now we are going to download this one, first one. If you want to go download, go and download it from Microsoft Store, you can check out from here. But my system is 64-bit, right? So I will click on this Docker desktop for Windows, and I will download somewhere so that it will be easy for me, like here. Okay, I will download it here, maybe somewhere. No, right, let me download it here. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Let's wait for that. Till that, what are the requirement requirement prerequisite, we can say, for Docker in your system, then we will figure out. So if you see here, should I use Hyper-V or WSL? Docker desktop functionality remains consistent on both WSL and Hyper-V. So you can go with any of them without a preference for either architecture. Hyper-V and WSL have their own advantage and disadvantage depending on your specific setup and your planned use case. So they are saying that based on your use case and setup, your system setup, you can go with WSL or Hyper-V. So in my system, WSL is required. Okay, WSL is required and I have already installed it. So WSL, like if you see here little down, if you want to download install WSL back in your system, then you can follow these things, right? WSL is installed in our system or not. If you go little down, there we will get a version, right? WSL version. So I will open command cmd, and then let me paste it here, and let's see. So WSL version already as latest version 2.6.1, and these are the details. So in my system it is already there and installed. So you can check out. If it is there, then you will see some details like this. If it is not there, then you can follow this install WSL tutorial or a blog, we can say, from Microsoft. We are installing Docker desktop 4.53.0. This is the latest version, and now we are installing this. Install from command line. If you want to install from command line, or simply you can download the installer, and then after downloading you can just simply hit this one. It will allow us to download, and it will PowerShell. You can run it like this, and like using command prompt you can do like this. So these are the some steps for downloading and installing. Now let's install it properly and let's run it. So it's taking time little unpacking the files. It will take time, I know. So I will fast forward this video so that we don't invest much time on this. Docker desktop 4.53.0 is installed, succeeded, and let's close this. Now I think Docker we will try to run this. Okay, now let's click on this 2 times, and then we will try to run Docker desktop. Click on accept. So create account, or you can skip it now for so I will skip it. As of now I don't want to sign in, so let's wait for Docker engine to start. Once it is installed, then only we can use Docker desktop, otherwise we will face issue. Docker is not going to install run, the Docker engine is not going to run, and then we won't be able to create any Docker file or instances or whatever related to this one. So this is the first step. They start the Docker engine first. So Docker engine is the underlying technology that run containers. So this is the important, or heart, we can say the heart of containers on Docker. So if you see here, a Docker desktop is starting, right? If it will say that Docker desktop running, then means our engine already started. Engine is starting. Let's wait for a little time. So finally our Docker engine is running. If you see here, Docker desktop is running and Docker is engine running. Finally, successfully we downloaded Docker and installed Docker in our system. That is latest version. If you see, a lot of things are there that are new in this latest version. Ask God Jordan, you need to turn in, and then MCP toolkit also there. So for MCP toolkit, you can just check out, lot of things are there. Skip the tour. I will just simply skip the tour. This is in beta version, they are testing something, right? So thanks for watching this video, guys, and if you really like this video, then understand how to install, then please like the video and comment if you are facing any issue like Docker engine is not running or WSL installation problem. I will create a separate video on that, and then we will meet in next video. Till that, bye bye. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Happy learning, happy installation.